Hi everyone! Today we're going to walk you through the basics of using Brevo for email marketing. Step 1. Create a campaign. Start by navigating to the Campaigns section in your Brevo dashboard. Here you can manage all your marketing campaigns. Look for the option labeled Create Campaign and click on it to begin. You'll see different types of campaigns to choose from. Select the type that fits your goals, such as a newsletter, promotional offer, or event invitation. Enter a descriptive name for your campaign. This will help you easily identify it later. Step 2. Configure your campaign. After naming your campaign, you'll land on the Campaign Settings page. Here you can configure all the important details. Click on Design, then choose a template for your newsletter. You can add text, images, titles, buttons, and more to make your email look professional. Once your design is ready, click Save. Step 3. Schedule or send your campaign. Decide when you want your campaign to be sent. You can either send it immediately or schedule it for a future date and time. After filling in all the necessary details, click Save to ensure your campaign is ready. And that's it. Your campaign is now set up and ready to engage your audience. Thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial helps you get started with Brevo and create professional email campaigns easily.